What's up, YouTube? Today, this video, I'm gonna be showing you on how this crimper works. This crimper here, this crimper is old as fuck. So I'm gonna show you the difference between the two. I'm going to show you the difference between the two crimpers. Two crimpers here, this one and this one here. So this one, this is fuck. As you can see, like if I have here a certain kind of wire, this is to illustrate on how these things work. So let's say we're gonna cut this wire here, cut this both end, and then we're gonna use this one. I know this is broken, this crimper is broken, and I will show you why it is broken. See that? It doesn't strip the skin anymore. See? So this one's broken. So it can no longer be used. And then I have here the new one. This is the new crimper here. This is the new one. And to show this on how this work, on how these things work, so you just put the wire in, the wire lid like that, and then slowly grip the wire on both ends, like see this thing here. Like it has to grip, so the wire that's on the edge should be pitching right up. No. Should be like this. This is broken. This is wire here, trap on it, and see this, and slowly push the grip, press the grip, and then it will strip the wire straight away, clean cut. So see this again, observe the middle here. This is how very easy things work on you. See? It will strip the wire straight away. That if the crimper is not broken. But this one here, to show you the difference between broken and not broken. See? It doesn't hold. So that's how to determine either the crimper is working or not. And see this one here, this is wrapped up with a cover, a secondary cover on the wire skin. We're gonna strip this thing out. See how lovely it is out. Strip away easily. Again, strip this thing like that one here. See this here, slowly first, see, strip, again. And then once you've done that, I'm gonna cut this wire again. And then we're gonna strip end of this here. See, that's how lovely is this thing work. That lovely. So these things make our job easier. And then strip it again. See? So this is how crimper works. Yeah. And again, just try to overlap from the wire from the red thingy there. See that? Overlap the wire. And then it will strip right off. And then once you have the desired wire to be stripped off, then you have to do like this. So you have this one here, the red thing, that's where the limit goes. And then see that? So that's how you do it. You make your life easier here. See that? Again. So that's how to use the crimper. And then here you have different kind of settings to crimp the connectors. Let's say I have connectors here. So this is for the demo purposes only. So if you have the crimpers here, this is a spade connector, and let's say you put it on like that, see to it that the wiring is not too much overlap. And then you have here the settings here. So you put it on the second position, like this one here. Okay. And how lovely is that? It works perfectly fine. Even if you have to pull it out, cannot pull out because it's already crimped. This here. So this is just a spade connector, guys. Spade. This is male spade connector. See how lovely is that? It couldn't pull out. There's no way it can pull out. And then at the end, we will do the female one. The female spade connector. I'm gonna show you. Here. So this is the female. So let's say this is only for demonstration sake, no? So let's say like that. So this is how crimper works. It works just fine. So we're gonna put it on the first sitting here, this one here. So we're gonna crimp this one here, like so. And then once you have that down, once you have it inside like that, and then you're gonna crimp on the first. You should turn crimp on the middle, and then once it sit, and then crimp. See how lovely that it doesn't fall out, because you don't have to worry about cutting, because it has a standard gap, so the wire cannot be cut off, because once it's crimp, it has a standard kind of setup, no? So that one there works fine. And when you connect between this is the female spade, and this is the male spade, so it works just fine like that. Okay, and then for demo purposes, we try to pull the wire. So pull the wire out, cannot pull. So it's pretty solid, guys. Okay, so that's how the crimper works. Works just fine. But this one, I can say that this is not the safest one, because it has no cover. It has to be like cover, or be isolation cover. And this one here, this is not actually, this is not the good one here. Spade connector has to be covered like this one. I will show you on how these things. This is the right one. This is also spade connector, but it has cover. And this one here is totally naked, no? So this is not a really good kind of spade. This one is a good kind, because you have here the isolate cover. It goes in here, it goes in like that. So this is the safest one. Like this is the bad side of the spade connector here, because it has no cover, like it's not no isolation. Unlike this one, has a cover on it, and it's good. It should be like this, not this type. So we're gonna cut this thing down, because we don't need. This is only for the demonstration purposes. So this is the good crimper, guys. Makes your life easier to work with wiring and everything. So all you need to do is you need only these things here. Spade connectors, male and female, with isolation cover. It's covered like this one. This is good one. This is a good type of spade connectors. And you have also the I have only two kinds of connectors. This is the bullet connector, which is the male bullet connectors, and this is the female connectors, speed bullet female connectors. It works fine like that. Okay, so bullet speed connectors, male and female, and you have the male and female spade. In here you only need two things, like male so guys, in here you need only two things, connectors: spade female, which is this one, and this is spade male connectors. This is the good type of connectors that only you need to have, nothing else. So that one, and then again only two connectors that you need, either bullet male connectors and female. So bullet connectors and spade connectors, that's the two things that you need, and then the crimper, and that's it. Works perfect. Thank you.